How to download and install Ubuntu operating system on Windows using VirtualBox. First, you'll need to download and install VirtualBox. Type to search VirtualBox. Hit enter on your keyboard. Click on Download. Here select Windows hosts. The download will start. So, download and install it. Even you can find the download link in the description below. Next, type download Ubuntu. Click on this first website. Here click on Download 22.04.4 LTS. The download will start, but for me I have already downloaded all the files, so let me close this browser. Now open VirtualBox. Up here click on New option. Under Name type in Ubuntu. Click on Next. Here you can adjust on the amount of memory that you would like to use. Even on the number of processors. After that click on Next. Set up your storage and then click on Next. Click on Finish. Up here click on Settings. Under General click on Advanced. Move down to Share Clipboard and the select Bidirectional. Do the same on Drag and Drop. Click on Storage option. Down here click on Empty. Click on Choose Disk Image. Here select the Ubuntu disk image file. Then after click on OK. Once you're done, click Start. Select Try or Install Ubuntu option and then press Enter on your keyboard. On the screen click on Install Ubuntu. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You'll be prompted to select keyboard layout. Click on Continue. Here select Erase Disk and Install Ubuntu option. Down here click on Install Now. Create a user account name and the password. Click on Continue. Now the setup will start copying and install the files. So, here you have to be patient. And if you new, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel for more tech videos. OK. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to restart the virtual machine. Click Restart Now. After the virtual machine restarts, you'll see the Ubuntu login screen. Enter your user password to log in. And there you have it. Ubuntu is now installed on your Windows PC using VirtualBox. You can now explore and use Ubuntu just like any other operating system. If you want to make this full screen, click on Device option. Click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. Into this folder right-click and select Open in Terminal. Type in ls. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Now type in /autorun.sh. Hit Enter on your keyboard. Now enter your password and click on Enter to continue. This will start to install the drivers. After that, the machine will restart. That wraps up our tutorial on how to install Ubuntu operating system on Windows using VirtualBox. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.